which are draw, a cumulative frequency graph, and it's going to be worth 3 marks. Now, the key factor that you're going to need to be able to answer this question is you need to know that the word cumulative means add up. These have already been added up for us here, so these are my cumulative totals. And you're going to plot the time against the cumulative frequency. So you can see the axes have already been drawn out for you. You've got time in your x-axis, cumulative frequency in your y-axis. So you're going to be plotting the x-axis against the y-axis, or time against cumulative frequency. Once you've plotted all the points, and you will find there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 values in the table, so you are plotting 6 coordinates. Once you've plotted those 6 coordinates, you need to join them together to make a smooth curve to get your full 3 marks for the question. Press pause, have a go at drawing out the table and the cumulative frequency graph, and then press play when you're ready to hear the answer. Well done, guys. Hopefully you've managed to plot the points and draw a nice smooth curve. So to start with, I have got 5 and 25. So my time is 25 and I've got 5 for the cumulative frequency. So I go across 25 and then I go up 5. That's my first point. Then my next one, I go across 30, then I'm going to go up 20. So I go across to 30, then I go up to 20. Then I'm going to go from 35 to 44. So across 35, then I'm going to go up 44. That's my third point. Then I've got 40, 69. So I'm going to go across 40 up until I reach 69. Plot the point. Then I've got 45, 76. So I'm going across 45 and up 76. And then I've got 50 and 80. So going across 50 and going up to 80. So we have got the points, and you can see they form an S shape. So you know you've got a cumulative frequency graph if you've formed this S shape and you've done it correctly. Now the starting point always starts from the 0 axis, and it will be at the point 20. So it's one lot less from where you are, and it always starts at 0. You're going to join the points together. Now, in the exam, you should really use freehand and join them together with a nice smooth curve. You can see here how I'm illustrating that curve going across here. The exam board will allow straight lines to be drawn. So you could draw a straight line, then another straight line, another straight line. So draw the straight lines between the different points. Okay, and you'll get 1 mark for plotting at the maximum time, so plotting at these values here. You'll get 1 mark for plotting the heights correctly, and the last mark is for joining the points together. Now you are better off by drawing a smooth curve. They are tricky to draw these curves by freehand, so make sure you know how to do your curve by freehand. If you struggle with a freehand curve, then you can join them together using a pencil and ruler. Just check your exam board to make sure whether you are or not allowed to join them correctly with using a pencil and ruler, or whether you need to be a smooth curve. So just check with your exam board. The mark scheme of this question shows there's 1 mark for plotting at the end of the intervals, 1 mark for the correct heights, and 1 mark for the smooth curve. It does say or straight line for this exam board, so just check your exam board whether it is a smooth curve or straight line segments. This tol here means a tolerance of half a square, so you're allowed to be half a square out to get the method marks. FT is a follow through mark from your method mark in part A, so if you made a mistake in your table on the first part and you got the table wrong, then you are allowed follow through marks later on. Remember, always check your answer, give yourself ticks where the marks are awarded. If you found this video useful, please share, like and subscribe so we can all get great at maths.